Hey everybody, this is Robert Bakula from Songbird Studios. I don't have my camera stand at the moment, so you just have to deal with this. But thank you guys so much for watching the video. Really appreciate it. Thank you to John, Kirsten, and my brother for allowing me to videotape you guys. I really enjoyed it. And I just want to also apologize because it's been ages since I've actually posted a video. So hopefully this can make up for the lack thereof, my lack of videos. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you're watching from Facebook, go ahead and check out my YouTube channel because there's more videos there. And if you're watching from the YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. It would mean the world to me. Anyways, I know the air conditioner just came on, so you heard this little sound. But thank you guys again so much for tuning in. God bless you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Bye.